let us take two molecules, A and B molecules. Uh, so if I ask this A and B molecules to react to each other, to react to each other, if I ask these molecules to react to each other, जो जाके react हो जा बोल के अगर मैं बोला तो A and B molecules नी పోయి react కాండి అని నేను అన్నా అనుకోండి, even though the chances of reacting to each other is very high, still they will not react to each other ma. Even the A and B want to react to each other, but they will be not able to react to each other ma. Very simple answer why they will be not able to react to each other, because they will be having certain barriers ma. There will be see, the point, I mean, what I'm trying to tell you here is that the chances of or a C, can simply say this is the H2 and this is the O1. This is the H2 and this is the A is the H2 and B is the O. And you already know H2 and O, whatever they are there, when they mixes together, they can form the water molecule H2O. I mean, the chances of H2 and oxygen, single oxygen atom to mix up together is very high. Still, they will not try to mix up together, ma'am. Still, they will not try to mix up together because there is a barrier is there. One barrier is there. That barrier is called as a energy barrier. That barrier is called as a energy barrier. This energy barrier is specific for the each molecules. A का उसका energy barrier रहता, B का उसका energy barrier रहता. I mean, even though they are willing to react to each other, A and B or H2 and O willing to react to each other, but particular one barrier is stopping them to react to each other. एक बैरियर रहता, ये जो भी बैरियर है ना, बैरियर मीन्स हाउ शुड आई से द स्पीड ब्रेकर्स, मतलब स्पीड ब्रेकर्स. You might have come across the speed breakers. The speed breakers, how the speed breakers try to stop your speed. Barriers is the same thing. This is an energy barrier which will be having to the respective molecules. This energy barrier will try to stop the H2 or A or B or O to react to each other. Energy barrier जो भी है ना, वो H2 को और A को और B को और O, whatever these atoms or whatever these molecules are there, they will try to stop to each other to react to each other. So to overcome this energy barrier, to overcome this energy barrier, energy barrier को overcome करके दोनों को react करवाने के लिए, in order to make them more reactful, then what we need means we need external supply of energy మా. ఎనర్జీ బ్యారియర్ కు బ్రేక్ करके ఎనర్జీ బ్యారియర్ ని బ్రేక్ చేసి ఈ రియాక్ట్ ఈ మాలిక్యూల్స్ ఆర్ రియాక్టెంట్ ఆర్ సబ్స్ట్రేట్ మాలిక్యూల్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటిని రియాక్ట్ చేయాలంటే we need to provide some sort of external supply. We need to provide some sort of external supply of energy. External supply of energy. In order to break the energy barrier, we need to provide some sort of external supply of energy, and that external supply of energy is nothing but the activation energy. Is nothing but the activation. Whenever you provide external energy, that is, whenever you provide extra energy in the form of activation energy, whenever you provide extra energy in the form of activation energy, then this energy barrier will be overcome. This energy barrier will overcome, and H2 plus O or A and B molecules will fuse together, and they are going to form the AB, or H2 and plus O, whatever those things are there, they are going to fuse together or react to each other. Then it is going to form the water molecule. Very simple. Let me explain you again. By taking the new page. A molecule is there, B molecule is there. They want to fuse together. They want to react to each other, but there is a certain barrier is there between them. One barrier is there which is stopping the A and B molecule to react to each other. A molecule, B molecule want to react to each other. They are having certain specific properties, equivalent properties, where they can react to each other and form the chemical bonds and can form a particular product also. But one barrier is present between them. एक barrier है, एक wall है. I can even say it as a wall. This wall is stopping the A and B molecule to react to each other. Then what we have to do, not B, but automatically what will happen means a certain external amount of energy is required for the A, and certain external amount of energy is required for the B, and that external amount of energy in this case is called as a activation energy. In this case it is called as a activation energy. Wait a second. In this case it is called as a activation energy. Whenever you provide the activation energy to A and B, then this whatever the wall is there, whatever the barrier is there will be broken down. I mean, they will overcome, and so that A and B will come close together and they will try to react to each other and going to produce a product called as a and B product. Very simple. I mean, what my point here is that not we, nature has to provide a external amount of energy. That external amount of energy is called as the activation energy. Activation energy. Why we need the activation energy? That can be one doubt. Why we need the activation energy? Because to overcome the energy barrier of the specific molecules. हर एक मॉलिक्यूल का उसका उसका पर्टिकुलर बैरियर रहता, एनर्जी बैरियर रहता, मींस इट हैज टू ओवरकम दैट एनर्जी बैरियर, देन ओनली इट कैन बी एबल टू रिएक्ट इन द पर्टिकुलर रिएक्शन. उसको रिएक्शन करने के लिए वो एनर्जी बैरियर को ओवरकम आने. सी, यू मे आस्क मी सर व्हाट इज द नेसेसिटी ऑफ हैविंग द एनर्जी बैरियर. यू मे आस्क मी सर एनर्जी बैरियर रहने की क्या जरूरत है. सी, लेट मी टेल यू दैट द हैविंग एन एनर्जी बैरियर इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. अगर एनर्जी बैरियर नहीं रहा तो ए बी सी डी ई एफ जी जो भी हर एक सबस्ट्रेट मॉलिक्यूल्स रहते हैं ना, जिसका वजह से उसका जाके रिएक्ट होके दे विल प्रोड्यूस व्हाट एवर द प्रोडक्ट्स दे वांट. ए बी सी डी ई एफ जो भी रहता है ना, हर एक मॉलिक्यूल का हर एक प्रोडक्ट जाके फॉर्म कर देगा एंड व्हाट एवर द सिस्टम जो भी रहता है ना, पूरा का पूरा बिगड़ जाएगा. आई होप यू पीपल आर गेटिंग द पॉइंट हियर. अगर एनर्जी बैरियर नहीं रहा तो whatever the molecules which are present in the universe, they will react to whatever the molecules they want and they are going to produce whatever the products they want. So in order to stop that destruction, what the atoms or whatever they are having now, what they did means they created the energy barrier. Energy barrier से ऊपर गया तो if you are providing an energy upper than this energy barrier, then only in the particular reaction. So that is a way, that is a chemistry etc etc. थोड़ा deep में जाना होगा chemistry में. So just understand two things, two terms. One is the energy barrier. Every molecule or every atom will have their respective energy barrier, where this energy barrier stops the molecule to react to each other. So if you want to make the molecules to react to each other, what you have to do, you have to provide external amount of energy, and that external amount of energy is called as the activation energy. That external amount of energy is called as the activation energy. I hope it is simple here. For example, let me take that is activation energy. Let me take one molecule called as sucrose. Sucrose molecule. If I want to break the sucrose molecule, how much amount of the I want external activation energy means I need around 39,000 calories of energy I need. Sucrose को break करने के लिए how much amount of the activation energy I need means 39,000 calories of energy I need in order to break the sucrose and to form the glucose and fructose. In order to form the glucose and the fructose, how much amount of the energy I need means 39,000 calories. जो भी sucrose का, see what I'm saying you, just for a second I will erase this thing. This calories I will erase this thing, and this glucose and fructose I will try to erase this thing. So if Akshita, I didn't even enter into the topic. Enzymes topic look enter kaledo. I was just explaining you the activation energy topic. Activation energy ante endo meeku explain chestunna. So sucrose, whatever the sucrose is there. If you are providing 1,000 kilocalories, actually kilocalories, not calories. If you are providing 1,000 kilocalories, sucrose will never even try to break. Sucrose molecule jo bhi hai na, it will ever will even try to break. Why it will not try to break? Because just now we came to know that it actually need how much amount of activation energy 39,000 kilocalories energy provide करा तो जो भी activation energy है ना वो provide करा तो then only sucrose will be ready to do the reaction and it will try to break the bonds and it will try to form what it will ready to form the glucose plus the fructose. So this 39,000 kilocalories जो भी है ना वो activation energy. I means it is the energy required to overcome the sucrose energy barrier. सुक्रोज का एनर्जी बैरियर ओवरकम करने के लिए कितना सारा एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करना होगा बोलो तो 39,000 किलो कैलोरीज ऑफ एनर्जी हैज टू बी प्रोवाइडेड. So simply if you are providing 1,000 or simply if you are providing 2,000 or simply if you are providing 3,000 or 5,000 even 10,000 kilocalories, 20, even 30, even 38.5 thousand kilocalories एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करा तो भी सुक्रोज का एनर्जी बैरियर है जो भी है ना उसको ब्रेक नहीं कर सकते and the sucrose will never form the glucose and the fructose. Very simple. Sucrose molecule की 39,000 kilocalories of energy provide చేస్తేనే I mean, if you are overcoming this energy barrier by providing the 39,000 kilocalories of energy, then only the sucrose molecule is ready to break and going to form the glucose plus fructose. Very simple. So here comes a point. Here comes a point. You might think that, sir, 39,000 kilocalories you are providing that energy. 39,000 kilocalories provide chestunar energy. But let me inform you that in the cell, again, you may ask me, sir, from where the hell this 39,000 kilocalories of energy has been provided? It has been provided from breaking the respective ATP molecules. Now, inside a cell, the respective ATP molecules. In your chemistry, you might have come across that exothermic reactions, endothermic reactions, वहाँ पर energy कौन provide कर रहा है, etc. chemistry में you will come across there but inside a cell who is providing the all this energy means that is a ATP molecule. एक reaction करने के लिए activation energy लेके आने के लिए energy barrier को break करने के लिए energy barrier ని break చేయడానికి activation energy provide చేయడానికి ఆ energy మొత్తం ఎవరిస్తున్నారు ఒక cell లోపట్ల అంటే that is the ATP is providing all this energy. So this is all these things are happening inside a cell, and inside a cell, around per every 1 minute, like thousands of reactions takes place, ma'am. Thousands of reactions takes place inside a cell, ma'am. So understand, thousands of reactions are taking place inside a cell, and if only one conversion of one conversion of sucrose to glucose and plus fructose is taking 39,000 kilocalories of energy means 1,000 reactions కావాలి అంటే 1,000 reactions per minute కావాలి అంటే ఎంత అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ కావాలనో అర్థం చేసుకున్నాము. జస్ట్ అండర్స్టాండ్ హౌ మచ్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎనర్జీ ఈస్ నీడెడ్ ఈస్ ఫర్ 1,000 reactions. Simple. What I'm trying to tell you is that all these reactions takes place inside a cell. So to convert one sucrose to glucose and fructose, we are needing 39,000 kilocalories of energy. There is only one reaction, and I'm saying you that inside a cell, like that type of reaction, 1,000 reactions चलेंगे. ఏ वाला इश नहीं. ఇట్లాంటిదే కాదమ్మా, చాలా రియాక్షన్స్ నడుస్తాయి మీ సెల్ లోపట్లో. సో దట్ ఓన్లీ వన్ సెల్ ఓన్లీ, అండ్ దట్ టు ఓన్ली वन सेल में 1,000 reactions चल रहे थे तो 39,000 किलो कैलोरीज एक ही रिएक्शन को लगा दे रहे, तो कितना सारा एनर्जी वी माइट रिक्वायर अर्थम చేసుకోండి. हाउ मच अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी वी माइट रिक्वायर to perform the 1,000 reactions. So all this energy is provided from what is provided from the respective ATP molecules. Here comes a pointer. So inside a cell, this 1,000 reactions perform cheyali ante per 1 minute. I can provide you like 40,000 kilocalories. This let us take to the new page for simplification. This is one cell. This is one cell, and per minute the cell can provide only 40,000 kilocalories of energy. Kilocalories per minute the cell can provide for what means for performing reactions perform करने के लिए एक सेल जो भी है ना वो कितना एनर्जी प्रोवाइड कर सकता है बोले तो 40,000 kilocalories of energy it can provide for reactions. And inside a cell, what did I said, how many reactions will take place per every 1 minute 1,000 reactions will take place बोल के बोला हमें. तो 1,000 reactions करने के लिए आपके पास बजट कितना है, 40,000 kilocalories का बजट है. For every 1 minute, 40,000 kilocalories of energy has to be spent for 1,000 reactions. Now, to convert the sucrose to glucose plus fructose, how much you are utilizing? 39,000 kilocalories of energy you are utilizing. So 40,000 में 39,000 इसमें convert कर दे रहे, utilize कर दे रहे. So what would be the remaining kilocalories? The remaining kilocalories might be the 1,000 kilocalories. If I want to convert another sucrose molecule, and if I want to break another sucrose molecule to produce glucose plus fructose, we need another how much ma? We need again 39,000 kilocalories का energy होना. So now we are only having 40,000, उसमें already 39,000 utilize कर दिए, and only we are having now what? We are having only 1,000 kilocalories. Now how you are going to provide this remaining amount ma? And that too, this is only 2 reactions, and what did I say? 1,000 reactions चलते बोल के बोला मैं. What is the answer for this point of view? How you are going to solve this problem? See, very simple. For one sucrose conversion to glucose plus fructose, you are utilizing the 39,000 kilocalories. जो भी budget दिया आपको 40,000 दिया. మీకు budget ఎంత ఇచ్చినా అంటే 40,000 kilocalories ఇచ్చిన per minute, and that 40,000 has to be spent for 1,000 reactions. But for one reaction only, ఒక reaction కి మీరు ఏం తప్పుతున్నారు ఇక్కడ 39,000 తప్పుతున్నారు. సో మళ్ళీ ఇంకొక సుక్రోజ్ మాలిక్యూల్ ని దుబ్బాలంటే దాన్ని కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలంటే గ్లూకోజ్ ప్లస్ ఫ్రక్టోజ్ ఫార్మ్ చేయాలంటే యూ నీడ్ అనదర్ 39,000 किलो कैलोरीज ऑफ एनर्जी. तो आपके पास कितना सारा किलो कैलोरीज ऑफ एनर्जी है? ओनली 1000 each है. Then how you are going to solve this particular problem? Tell me the answers now. How you are going to solve this particular problem? In order to do another reaction of sucrose conversion plus glucose plus fructose, we need the activation energy of 39,000. What is the activation energy means? In order to break the energy barrier, we need to provide some sort of external energy, and that external energy is called as activation energy. That external energy is called as the activation energy. Amma, how? Amma, Akshita, you will never change, ma. Akshita, you will never ever change, ma. Akshita, what she did means she is saying that nature will provide, sir. Nature will provide the energy. How you thought that energy will be provided, Akshita? How energy is going? I mean, from the atmosphere, we are going to get the energy. If you are thinking according to your logic, if the atmosphere, if the nature is providing that energy, then there is no necessity to eat the food, ma. There is no necessity to eat the food. The food खाने की जरूरत नहीं है. If we don't eat the food, there will be no ATP molecules inside our body. If there is no ATP molecules inside our body will die. According to your logic. Simple answer, ma. Simple answer. What I'm trying to ask you is that how you are going to solve this problem. सुक्रोज को कन्वर्ट करने के लिए उतना सारा एनर्जी का sir sucrose is converted to glucose then glucose molecules will provide see according to the another logic of Akshita, she's saying that sir glucose is produced na sir, this glucose will get converted into the ATP and this ATP will provide kilocalories of energy, etc., etc. So according to one ATP molecule you will have 696 kilocalories more. So ATP from one glucose you will get 36 ATP. 36 ATP is kalpute 396 into 36 do. You will get some sort of good value only. You will get some sort of good value only. But see, Akshita, see, for the glucose to convert into this particular 36 ATP molecules, it is a time consuming one. It is a time consuming one. Means it will understand, it will assume that it will take 5 minutes. But ఇక్కడ 1 minute లోనే మీకు ఇదంతా చేయమని చెప్తున్నాను నేను. Akshita said that she used one logic, so glucose is there, na, glucose is produced now, that glucose will get converted into 36 ATP, that 36 ATP, एक एक का ATP 696 kilocalories क्या की value है, then 36 ATP into 696 means it will be a huge value, but to convert the glucose to ATP, we need like 4 or 5 minutes, but here we are only having like 1 minute only, and that too 1000 reactions per 1 minute, means in the next minute another 1000 reactions will take place. Then how is going to simple answer, ma, deadly easy answer. You have to tell me the simple deadly easy answer. Simple means simple deadly easy answer. Anyone from the class? Anyone from the class? Tell me the answer. Everyone is there. Pujita is there. Anyone from the class, ma? What is the answer? Ma doubt అయితే అర్థమైంది కదా. Very simple. Sucrose molecule, it will break down. It will break down. Sucrose molecule will break down and produce glucose plus fructose. For that breaking down, how much of amount of energy we require means we need 39,000 kilocalories of energy. तो आपका बजट कितना था? 40,000 किलो कैलोरीज था, एंड उसमें से आप लोग 39,000 किलो कैलोरीज यूटिलाइज कर दिए. सो आपके पास ओनली 1000 किलो कैलोरीज ऑफ एनर्जी इज लेफ्ट ओवर, एंड यू वांट टू परफॉर्म एन अनदर रिएक्शन टू कन्वर्ट सुक्रोज प्लस जीएफ. उसको ग्लूकोज प्लस फ्रक्टोज फॉर्म करने के लिए वी नीड अगेन 39,000 किलो कैलोरीज. वी आर ओनली हैविंग हाउ मच? वी आर ओनली हैविंग 1000 kilo calories of energy. So with this 1000 kilo calories of energy, you will not even able to scratch the sucrose molecule also. Scratch भी नहीं कर सकते, because sucrose molecule का energy barrier break करने के लिए we need 39,000. So very simple answer, ma. Very simple answer. I thought that you people might be saying the answer. Here comes our hero. Here comes our savior. That is called as enzymes. एंजाइम्स आएंगे माँ. हियर कौन आएंगे बोलो तो अपना हीरो आएगा, दैट इज एंजाइम्स. वेरी वेरी सिंपल. दिस इज योर सुक्रोज मॉलिक्यूल, and in the presence of an enzyme called as sucrase. इससे पहले मैं enzyme नहीं लिया था. Just go and see in this chart, in this everything. I didn't took any enzyme at all. Now in this case, sucrase, enzyme name is called as sucrase, which acts on a molecule called as sucrose. So what the sucrase will do means, sucrase, not only sucrase, the general property of the enzymes, is that what they will do means, the very good thing, they lower down the activation energy. They lower down the activation energy का जो भी requirement था ना, उसका lower करेंगे. They will try to lower down the activation energy. For example, let me take two scenarios. One is A scenario and the other one is B scenario. A scenario में sucrose molecule था. It is getting converted into glucose plus fructose, and how much amount of energy means 39,000 kilocalories क्या की utilize हो रहा. And this is in the absence of enzyme, and this is in the absence of enzyme. Now this is the case A. Now see the case B. This is sucrose molecule. Is going to get breakdown into glucose plus fructose, and in the presence of an enzyme called as sucrase. And now here how much we require means, we require only 9,000 kilocalories of energy. So it is clearly visible on your screen now. It is highly visible on your screen now. Very simple. A and B, देख लो. A case में, in the absence of energy, in the absence of enzyme, how much amount of the activation energy कितना होने की जरूरत है? 39,000 kilocalories of energy का requirement है. Because enzyme is not there, enzyme is not lower downing the activation energy in the case A. But in the case B, once you brought सुक्रेस एंजाइम इनटू द एक्शन, अगर सुक्रेस एंजाइम को आप लोग एक्शन में लेके आए तो what the sucrase actually did, it lowered down the activation energy and brought the activation energy into how much, कितना सारा एनर्जी, एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी कितने की जरूरत है? 9,000 kilocalories of activation energy is required. I mean, what the sucrase enzyme did means, it lowered down the barrier energy of the sucrose molecule. Understand clearly? సుక్రేస్ ఎంజైమ్ ని क्या करा बोले तो, సుక్రేస్ ఎంజైమ్ ఏం చేసిందంటే సుక్రోస్ మాలిక్యూల్ యొక్క ఎనర్జీ బ్యారియర్ ని కిందకి తీసుకొచ్చింది. సుక్రేస్ ఎంజైమ్ lowered down the energy barrier of the sucrose molecule. So how much amount you actually require? You actually require, wait a second, class exit అయి మళ్ళీ వస్తున్నారు నాకు, ఏందో మళ్ళీ. Who is this person? Ready me at all. Okay. So what the sucrase enzyme is doing, sucrase enzyme is lowering down the sucrose molecule. Sucrose molecule యొక్క energy barrier, it is lowering down such that how much amount of the activation energy right now you need means, you need the 9,000 kilocalories. So 40,000 में 40,000 जो भी है ना, 40,000 में अगर आप 9,000 utilize करें तो still you will be having 39,000 kilocalories of energy, and that 39,000 kilocalories of energy can be utilized for certain other reactions also. थोड़े छोटे रहते, थोड़े बड़े रहते. Then what is the use of the ATP in a reaction? We can take the enzymes. Seema, okay, I didn't understand that out, sir. Then what is the use of the ATP in reaction? We can't take enzyme. Amma, see this 9,000 kilo. See, okay, ma Pujita, I got it. See this 9,000 kilocalories of energy that I'm saying na is not provided by the sucrase enzyme. It is not providing the sucrase enzyme. This is very simple, like the coupons మీరు యూజ్ చేస్తారు చూడండి మీరు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ ద మింత్రా ఆర్ ఫ్లిప్కార్ట్ చూసే ఉంటారు, ఫ్లిప్కార్ట్లో చూసే ఉంటారు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దేర్ యు ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ ఐఫోన్ ఉందనుకోండి. ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ అన్ ఐఫోన్ XR, that iPhone XR costs around 45,000 K. It costs around 45,000 K. So if you, the 45,000 K on the iPhone XR, so everyone disconnect and reconnect again, time is over. Everyone disconnect and reconnect again. Time is over. Everyone disconnect and reconnect again.